Hey there from Bugeye guys, and welcome to a drive in a Bugeye called Bucky. You should be able to hear that super nice exhaust note courtesy of the stainless exhaust header and our twin tip muffler, and then great disc brakes in the front. It's a 5-speed car as well with a Ford 5-speed transmission. A lot of fun to drive this car. In fact, we've kind of made the ultimate driver with Bucky. It's been aggressively modified and restored by 2 different owners in our shop. It's gotten better each time we've had it. And so now the car is for sale again, and the new owner will get all of these improvements at a very depreciated rate because a ton of money was invested. The car is, not cosmetically stunning, but it's fine. It just could use a paint job. But all the mechanics, and it has a new dashboard cover and new gauges, GPS speedo, fantastic exhaust note, and it's just a lot of fun to go out and drive around in this car, as you should be able to see me doing here. And we've put in a larger dashboard mirror and windshield stanchion side mirrors. So, by and large, even the 3-point red seat belt, you can see that I'm wearing a retractable shoulder belt. By and large, this car has had everything done to it to make it into a wonderful driving machine. It's been well upgraded with all the good performance stuff. We have all the build sheets on our website, or email us and we'll send you more information. But this is a really nice car for people who are not cosmetically fussy but want a great driving Bugeye. Every one of the cars that we get needs a long list of modifications before we're able to resell them, and this one has already been through that process very aggressively for 2 prior owners, and as a result you get a car that's really had a ton of sorting already done to it. By the way, this one has electrically heated seats, which is something we never see. The car had been in Wisconsin. And you can have a lot of fun with these Bugeyes. You can throw them around like I am here. Of course, at a slow speed, you can have a ton of fun with not a lot of risks, so it's just nice to have a really tight, great sounding Bugeye for sale. And if you're unfamiliar, that's the turn signal switch there above the ignition key. It's just left-right from that center switch, and one indicator between the tach and speedo tells you that the blinkers are on. So that's a ride in Bucky, a really nicely well-sorted car, a nicely sorted car with also a bikini top if you want a sunshade. It comes with that, and there is a nice tonneau as well. Most of our clients are using a tonneau to protect the cockpit. It's a really nice car, and give us a call if you're interested here at Bugeye Guys.